Hello friends, welcome back to 7 Rays. In today's video, I will be discussing the problem of fatty liver and how to cure it with the help of single point acupressure. Liver, as you all know, is a very important organ, and we are supposed to take care of this organ. If it doesn't work properly, it might lead to lots of other issues in our body. It is an organ which actually, it's the second largest organ in our body, if you all know about it. And it helps to process the nutrients from the food and drinks that we eat and helps to flush out all the impurities from the blood. If it doesn't function properly, just imagine what is going to happen to the system. How the system is going to suffer, how the other organs are going to get affected if this organ is not functioning properly. What are the causes of fatty liver? Fatty liver can be because of the biggest problem that people think is consumption of alcohol. Yes, it is. Too much of consumption of alcohol leads to fatty liver. Second problem is obesity. People who are obese also suffer with this problem. People who are having type 2 diabetes, and also for people who have got high triglyceride levels, whose triglycerides are high, they also suffer with the problem of fatty liver. They also face the problem of fatty liver. It can happen to pregnant women also. At times it does happen that during pregnancy the livers, they start having the problem of fatty liver. They start facing the problems. It can also be a side effect of some medication. If you're having some high medications, if you're on a high medication, if you're taking some supplements, at times even vitamin supplements can lead to fatty liver. So if you can avoid any of these, firstly try to avoid them. Some things are not unavoidable. So you need to take care of the organ in the best possible manner. There are two types of fatty livers. One is alcoholic, one is non-alcoholic. Alcoholic, as understood, happens to people who consume a lot of alcohol, but non-alcoholic happens to people who do not drink alcohol, then also they're facing problem of fatty liver. Why? Why for them? Probably the kind of food they are eating, the lifestyle that they are living is the cause, is the reason they're having this problem. Initial symptoms might not even come to know that they're having a fatty liver unless they get themselves checked. So after the age of 40, as your physician, your doctors might be advising you to get a thorough checkup every year. Go for a whole body checkup every year so that you come to know the vitals. How are they functioning? How are things happening? How are your organs working? You need to know so that you can handle the problem at the initial stage. If you will not get the thing checked, the problem may just aggravate and you might come to know when it reaches a very severe level. Care of the organ. How can you take care of that organ? Liver likes fresh food, fresh things. Give it fresh food. Avoid foods that are kept in the fridge for a longer time, for 2 or 3 days. Do not consume that food. Especially after a certain age, the metabolism changes. We're supposed to give the body as much as fresh food as possible. Fresh fruits, fresh vegetables. Even the cooked food should be fresh. Cook and have. Do not put it in the fridge and have it after 2-3 days. Avoid doing that. Have lots and lots of water. Plenty of water helps in removing all the toxins from the body. If the liver is fatty and you're having water, it will help the organ to function properly. Have a nice sleep. Keep yourself relaxed. Do 5 to 10 minutes of meditation if possible. Meditation means just sit with yourself. Let all the organs relax without anything in the back of your mind. I do not talk about spiritual things. Just relax your body. That meditation I'm talking about, just sit with yourself. For 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Take out that much time for yourself to relax your organs. Have a nice sleep, peaceful sleep for at least 6 to 7 hours every night. A body does require that much of rest after the whole day of exertion. Give it rest for 6 to 7 hours. It does It does demand that. Give it that much time. All the organs will be able to recoup and revive after that relaxation time if you give it. What happens if the liver does not function properly? What happens if the organs do not function properly? How will you be able to work? If you want to continue the lifestyle, give it some time. Coming to the pressure point now. The single point acupressure point that you have to do lies on this side. Very easy point again. This is called the yin side in acupressure. This is called the yang side. This is the yin side in acupressure. It lies on the middle finger towards the index finger. I'll just show you. It comes here. This is liver 2 point in acupressure, LIV2. Both the hands you have to apply 1 fenugreek seed, like this, pasted in the doctor's tape. Before applying, put little pressure on this point. You can use anything that you have. If you have a jimmy, a probe, use that. Otherwise, you can use any blunt thing. Put little pressure here, deep and soft pressure here. Put 6 to 7 times. What happens when you put pressure? This point gets activated and the treatment starts immediately. Like when you're pressing, the treatment is already started. And now when you'll put this fenugreek seed, it'll have more effect. So do press it once and then apply this fenugreek seed on this point. Do not put the mark with the pen. I just put it to show you where the point exactly exists. Leave it for 8 to 10 hours. Remove it in the morning and throw it away. Do it for 3 to 4 months at a stretch. If you are facing a problem of fatty liver, you will definitely get cured after 3 to 4 months. In case you are taking any medication, please continue with the medication. Do not discontinue thinking that you are doing acupressure, so you can discontinue the medicine. If you want to discontinue the medicine, please consult your doctor who has advised you the medicine. For any treatment that I am sharing with you and you are taking any medication, please do not discontinue without consulting your doctor. Acupressure is a side treatment for you, but do not substitute it for your medicine. Thanks for watching me. Please help anyone around you who is suffering from this problem. Please help them. Share with them. Tell them this symptoms, tell them the precautions, tell them the acupressure points, and please share with as many people as possible. Thanks for watching me, friends. Till my next video, take care.